Welcome back everyone. Today I have the keys to this Mercedes GLB AMG, powered by a 4-cylinder 2-litre turbo. And if you ask me, this is the ultimate mum car. Even I've been enjoying driving this, and for a 4-cylinder it actually makes some pretty nice noises. Now this one here will be your 7-seater. Not heaps of room, but you got the back seats there if you do need it. Now this model here also has your panoramic moonroof, which does also, the front part does also open up fully, and then obviously your electric tailgate as well. 2 exhaust pipes at the back, slotted rotors. I think it's a great looking car. You get your usual Mercedes-AMG interior, so you have all your ambient lighting all down here, all on your door, 2 digital displays, and you got a little boost meter in here as well. And you got your little dial here, so similar to Porsche, you can twist this to change between your drive modes. So you got individual, comfort, sport, and then sport plus. And then you got your moonroof, which does open up completely. Alright, infotainment screen works pretty well. It's either touchscreen or you can use your little touchpad down here to change between your different menus. Takes a little bit of getting used to. Once you get used to it, it's actually pretty easy to use. You've also got your controls here on your steering wheel, so that's not a physical button. You just kind of swipe over it. It's got a little sensor here. Now this does have your cruise control. It's not adaptive, so it'll be a normal standard cruise control, so it won't be adaptive on this one. You've got your little button here. You can switch between automatic or manual, and you've got your little paddle shifters here. It does actually drive really well in the manual mode. Jumping around to the back, plenty of room, so if you got kids, things like that, this is a very good sized car. Plenty of storage as well. And then you've also got your heads up display in the front. Now, a first for me on this car is your gear selector being up here. That's a first for me. I've never driven a car that's had something like that before, but if you put the car in reverse, see your camera pops out, and then you've got your 360 camera. It'll also show you as you turn the wheel where the car's going to be going, which is also pretty handy. It'll also, when you pull into a parking spot, it'll automatically activate your 360 camera, so you can see if you've lined yourself up properly. So it makes parking very easy. All right, time to see how this Mercedes GLB drives. So we'll start it up. We've got our heads-up display on our different drive modes down here. So we'll put it in Sport Sharp, which is going to be the stiffest setting for everything. We'll get going. Now, honestly, for a 4-cylinder, this actually sounds pretty good. You get a nice little thump on the gear changes. Nice thing is you can customize this display here. So I've got to show my speed, revs and gear in the middle, and then temperature on the side. With these buttons here you can change it to show you different things. I'm 90% sure that sound is pumped in, that thumping sound. It's satisfying, it makes the gear shift satisfying. Very responsive gear changes from this 8-speed, satisfying to use. U-turn here. Cut the video here. Not feeling the greatest at the moment, so not much talking today, but just wanted to get a quick drive in while I have this car. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you could like, it would mean a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video.